Hello guys, so I've been using the Smoobu website builder for a while now to manage my vacation rental properties. And I have to say, it's been a pretty interesting experience. First off, I like that Smoobu is an all-in-one platform. The website builder is just one part of a bigger system that includes channel management, booking synchronization, messaging, and payments. This integration makes it incredibly convenient because everything ties together smoothly. For example, when you update something in your booking calendar or rates on Airbnb or Booking.com, it automatically reflects on your Smoobu website without any extra hassle. That kind of synchronization is a huge time saver, helping to avoid double bookings and ensuring that availability remains accurate across all channels. This level of automation is ideal for anyone managing multiple properties or juggling several booking platforms. The website builder itself is straightforward to use, especially if you're not a professional web designer. The drag-and-drop style interface lets you customize your vacation rental homepages without needing any coding skills. You can add your own photos, set up booking buttons, and tweak the design to give your site a personal touch. This is really helpful for hosts who want a professional-looking website but don't have the technical know-how. It also supports multiple languages like English, German, Spanish, and a few others, which is great if you have international guests. This feature makes your website more accessible, allowing you to reach a broader audience and cater to travelers from different regions. However, I did notice that the design options are somewhat limited if you're used to more advanced website builders. The templates are clean, but not super flashy, and the customization can feel a bit rigid, especially when it comes to adjusting colors or fonts beyond the presets. So, if you're looking for a highly custom design or want to play with advanced visual elements, this might feel a little restrictive. One of the coolest features is the built-in guest portal and online check-in system that integrates right into the website. Guests can access everything they need, like house rules, Wi-Fi details, or even local recommendations, all in one place. This definitely helped improve guest satisfaction and boosted the number of positive reviews I got. It gives guests a seamless experience, allowing them to find all the necessary information without having to contact you directly. Plus, the automated messaging works great with it, so I didn't have to manually send reminders or check-in instructions. That saves me a ton of time, especially when managing multiple properties. The ability to automate communications not only helps streamline operations, but also ensures guests feel well-informed, which can lead to better reviews and repeat bookings. On the downside, the booking system on the website had some quirks early on. For example, I ran into issues where certain dates appeared unavailable even though they were open in the channel manager. It seemed like a glitch in syncing availability, which caused some confusion for potential guests. This was a bit frustrating because it made it harder for guests to book during times when the property should have been available. Also, the payment processing options were a bit limited. I tried setting up PayPal, but it wasn't seamless, which was frustrating. Offering smoother, more flexible payment options would definitely improve the guest booking experience. Customer support was helpful overall, but sometimes slow to respond, especially if you need urgent fixes during busy booking periods. This could be a drawback if you're in a rush and need a quick resolution to a problem. Pricing-wise, since Smoobu bundles everything into one subscription, you get the website builder, plus channel manager, PMS, and other tools all together. This feels like decent value compared to paying separately for each service. By combining everything, Smoobu saves you the headache of managing multiple subscriptions and makes it easier to stay organized. They offer a 14-day free trial with no credit card required, which was nice for testing everything out before committing. This trial period is great because it allows you to explore the features and see if it fits your needs without any financial commitment up front. To sum it up, the Smoobu website builder is a solid option if you want a no-fuss, integrated solution for your vacation rental business. It's easy enough to set up and keeps all your bookings and guest communications in one place. For hosts who want an efficient, streamlined solution that handles everything from bookings to guest messaging, this is an excellent choice.
If you're looking for highly customizable design or advanced payment options, it might fall short. But for most hosts wanting a reliable, all-in-one platform to manage their vacation rental properties, it definitely gets the job done well. It's an ideal tool for those looking to simplify their operations while providing a professional and convenient experience for their guests.